In this video, we'll do a security overview of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. We'll look at different aspects of security within public cloud and then look at specific mechanism and services provided by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So let's start with shared security responsibility model and see what does it mean for the customer and what does it mean for Oracle. So as I mentioned, shared security responsibility model in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure has some areas that customer is responsible for and some areas that Oracle is responsible for. In terms of customer's responsibility, if you look at customer data, that includes user data and credentials and other account information, ensuring there is no insecure access or insecure user access behavior within customer's account in OCI, making sure that IAM policies are strong, any kind of patching is done timely, proper security list rules, route table and VCN configuration is in place, and any kind of key management for client-side encryption. From Oracle side, providing services to ensure customer can achieve their responsibilities. So providing services such as Web Access Firewall, CASB, DDoS protection, load balancer, isolation for compute, network, and different type of storage, providing a very strong IAM framework to make sure customer can write very strong IAM policies, and finally providing physical security. And physical security basically ensures that the physical data center is secured with personnel and all the other compliance requirements that are mentioned or required by different agencies. So now let's look at what are different security capabilities provided by Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So these 7 pillars include areas such as customer isolation, which basically means that ensuring all the workloads of one customer are isolated from another customer and also isolated from Oracle's own staff. Data encryption, ensuring that data at rest and in transit is encrypted and secure. Security controls, which basically mean that providing secure application delivery and tools that are needed for that. Visibility, what is going on within your Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account or tenancy. So providing data log and security analytics for auditing and monitoring actions of different customer actions being performed on different customer assets. Secure hybrid cloud, ensuring if a customer has an on-premise data center and a public OC Oracle Cloud Infrastructure account, any kind of access or interconnectivity from that on-premise network to public cloud or secure hybrid cloud can be achieved, and services that are provided for that, including support for any kind of third-party security solutions that customer might already have. Providing high availability, both at the data center level, within the data center, and at a regional level. Verifiably secure infrastructure. So providing transparent communication for internal security controls that are implemented, any kind of third-party audits and certification, and providing customer the ability to perform any kind of penetration or vulnerability scanning on the resources that they have deployed within Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. So before we look at the security capabilities, let's dive a little bit deeper on the 7 pillars. So as I mentioned, customer isolation, data encryption, security control, visibility, secure hybrid cloud, HA, and verifiably secure infrastructure are the 7 pillars. In terms of what exactly each pillar contains, so for example, in customer isolation, tenants want to make sure their workloads are isolated from other tenants as well as Oracle staff. Customers want to make sure their data is encrypted at rest and in transit. Proper security controls in terms of effectively and easily managing different security policies, and secure application delivery, audit logs, security analysis for visibility, secure connection from on-premise to public cloud, i.e. secure hybrid cloud that is provided, high availability, fault independent, that means that fault independent um, data centers within a region and across the region, and then verifiably secure infrastructure would have um, transparency about processes and internal security control that Oracle has implemented, any kind of third-party audits and certifications. So what security capability does Oracle provide for these different 7 pillars? In terms of, again, looking back, customer isolation, bare metal instances, VM instances, they're all isolated from each other. Then we have VCN and IAM policies. VCNs are to provide network level isolation, IAM policies to provide secure control, and compartments to provide isolation within a customer account. So if a customer has multiple departments, we can use compartments to provide isolation for resources for these different departments. For data encryption, default encryption for storage, object, block, file storage service are all encrypted. Key management services are provided, and then databases are also encrypted by default. For different security controls, user authentication and authorization, we also use instance principles where compute instances can access different public endpoint services such as object storage or interact with other services without having to rotate the credentials. Then network security, we have ACLs, web access firewalls. For visibility, audit logs, CASB-based monitoring. For secure hybrid cloud, IPsec VPN, Fast Connect, as well as third-party security solutions. For HA, fault independent data centers, fault domains, which basically ensures that workloads are distributed across different physical servers within a data center. So not all workloads reside on same physical server in case the physical server has runs into any kind of issues. For verifiably secure infrastructure, security operation and compliance certification, and we also provide customer penetration and vulnerability testing to ensure that all workloads that customer has deployed are secure.